India's system of governance polity is democratic. Let us compare it with the polities of some other countries. The following table explains how the Indian system of governance is difficult from the other from that of the Chinese. Now two polities are given here, okay, Indian and Chinese. See the rules of the Chinese and the India. Okay, first we will go through the Indian. There is democracy in India. There is communist dictatorship in India. India has multi-party system. Okay, there are many parties. Multi means many. China has one party system. There is a freedom to choose a representative in India. Okay, we have to choose. That means according to our will we have to vote. Members of the Communist Party have to be selected in China. That means whatever they tell they have to do. In India, elections are generally held every 5 years. Everybody of us know that after 5 years there are elections. In China, members are elected from only one party in every 5 years. That means there is only a one party, and from that party after every 5 years they have to select only from that party. There is an adult right to vote. The value of each vote is same. All of us, dear students, after 18 we are allowed to vote. Okay, after 18 we are allowed to vote up to age of 60. So there is an adult right to vote, and the value of each vote is same. There is elections in China, but people do not have the true right to choose the representative. Okay, there is no freedom for the choosing the representative. The fundamental rights and freedom of people are protected. That means there is a protection. People have fundamental rights but do not have the right to property, freedom of expression, and personal freedom. Government has control over its implement. That means everything government is looking after for whom they have to choose or what they have to do. Okay. People have the right to express opinions on government policies in India. People have no right to express opinion or oppose government policies in India. There is a right to discuss or oppose development work in India undertaken by the government. Therefore, the pace of development work is slow. There is no right to express opinion or oppose in China. So, development works are done with unilateral decision by the government and happen at fast pace. They are very fast in doing the things. Okay, so everything government is saying. That means there is no full freedom for anything. Now here is the 1.4 activity. You have read about the system of governance in India and China in the table above. Based on that, write the advantages and disadvantages. What you feel, children, in both of the system, that is the democratic governance of India and the communist governance of China. Think about the points whatever are behind in the book. Okay, just go through the passage, go through the table, and then you write Indian polity and Chinese polity. This is for your homework. Advantages, disadvantages, okay, in both the parties. Then there is a question. Give your opinion about. Okay, what is your opinion? I have not written here any answers, because you have to read the table, understand it, then you will write the answers. Your opinion about. Okay, you have to write your personal answer. The difference between behaving as a responsible citizen in democracy and behaving as per your wish. What you feel. Okay, the difference between behaving as a responsible citizen in democracy and behaving as per your wish. What you think. Just think about the question in both the side. Okay, behaving as a responsible citizen in democracy and behaving as per your wish. Think and write. Number 4. How are rules formulated? Let us play an interesting game. Okay, even this paragraph have the I think so 3 or 4 questions are there. You have to answer it. Imagine you are traveling on a cruise along with the few strangers. Cruise means in a boat or ship. Uh, Suddenly storms hits your ship. Okay, storms means when you are in a boat, if there is a storm, okay, that means you are in a big sea, and if there are storms, you have no chances, to save your life, wrecking it completely. That means it is shaking. All of you are stranded on 3 days deserted islands. That means if all over your boat there is nothing, no chances to save your life. It seems impossible to escape from there, and there are no chances to escape from there, and you have no other opinion but to stay there. Now ponder over the situation you are trapped into and share your views. First one, the 3 islands have 3 different system. First island, one person dictates and everyone else obeys his instruction. Nobody has any freedom, so there is no use. If there is no freedom, what they will do? Only once if only one person is telling, and what others are going to do? They have to obey. You think the passage. Okay. Second island, there are no rules on the islands. Each person can behave as they like. If they are going to do that, all are going to sink in the water. Third, all the people on this island decide some rules unambiguously and act accordingly. If there are any problems, all are select people make decisions and solve problems by discussing together. Everyone has the freedom to do as they wish, but no one is allowed to transgress on others' dependence. Okay, now all 3 islands, these are the questions over here. I have written the answers, but children, you see my answers, and whatever you feel like, or if you feel like adding your answers, you do it, but don't write same answers. Even I have written the answers only for your examples. You write your own answers. Okay, here let us see the activity 1.6. Which of the following actions show respectful conduct of a person, and which actions do you think do not? Make the right choice with the tick mark. Okay, here some of the questions are given. Speaking sweetly with someone on the face but criticizing behind their back. It is right or wrong? It is fully wrong. Two people come face to face. One person lets the other person pass. It is on your own. You can tick mark it, or if you want to say no, you say it no. Mocking about one's shortcomings, teasing him or her. That means making mockery. Okay, you are laughing at others. Interrupting someone in the middle of the conversation. That means you are disturbing somebody. Turning down someone's point of view outright. Offering the seat to a senior citizen in a public is a right or wrong. Paying full attention when someone is speaking. Providing feed and water to birds and animals properly. Playing with the cell phone while somebody is talking to you. When you are visiting someone as a guest, people in the house keep watching a TV program. These are your personal questions. You answer it. Okay, here are some questions. Activity 1.7. Give personal response 1. Write what you will do to respect the following resources: food, river, sea, bus, and a train, forest, surroundings. Okay, I have written here answers. You can write on your own. Bus and train, you have to keep it clean. No spitting in the bus and train. No leaving your garbage, or no leaving the paper or your remaining food in the bus and train and going. Keeping everything clean. Okay. Activity 1.8. Now list the things you are dependent on for some of the actions given below. You want to play games in the recess. What you need, such as friends you need. Okay, if you want to play, you need ground, what else you need, you write. Okay. Ball. What are the other two things? First is friends, second is ball, third you need ground, fourth, fifth and sixth, three more you add it. You want to listen to the songs, you need CD, you need CD player, you need a speaker. Okay. What else you need? If you want to get wet in the rain you need friends, you need to play. Okay. Next, you want to recover if you get sick, go to doctor, take care of yourself, take tablets, hot water, avoid eating fast food, complete rest. Give personal response on why it is necessary to cooperate with each other to remain united in the society. Okay. 1.9. What will you do in the following situations? Select the appropriate option. You need some information from students in your classroom, a class to complete on activity project. Would request to provide information, would force to provide information. These are your personal question. You are going to answer personally. Okay. So read this all and then you answer. Next, these are also your personal activity 1.10. Okay, let me read the questions. What will you do in the following situation? Write in your own words. In your home, only one member's favorite channel is played on TV. Your favorite food is prepared at home. Only one family member finished of it. Every year at the annual gathering of the school, only specific students get chance or get opportunity to perform.